Good morning, nursery class. Today is day 10 and please take out your activity book of English and open page number 5. Page number 5 is your homework. Page number 5 is your homework. You know that what is this? This is apple. And starting sound of apple is apple. The sound of A is A. So we write A here. Ball. A ant. Book. Bell. So our classwork is on page number 6. Page number 6 is your classwork. Okay. First you write date and CW and then you trace the capital C. This is capital C. Capital C and small c. Small c. Okay. Look at there. There are 3 lines. Capital C write on 3 lines. Capital C write on 3 lines. We start capital C from here and join the dots carefully. So this is our capital C and this is our small c. Small c write on 2 lines. So we start from here. So we trace capital C and small c. In the second part, color the picture that begin with sound K. You know, the sound of C is K. Cat, K, cat, K, cake, K, cake, and cap, cap, K, cap, K, carrot. This is board, so we don't color on it because this is board and board start with sound B. This is arrow. Arrow start with A, so we don't color in it. So students, your page number 6 is done now. You color in it cat, cake, cap, carrot. And also learn the sound of K. Sorry, the sound of C is K. Cat, cap, cake, carrot. Thank you, students.